In this video, we will learn how to use slide theme in PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your PowerPoint, and here you can see I'm going to add one title on this slide. So I just add here the title, the PND Tech. Okay. So I add here the title, then I add here the subtitle. I just add here the subscribe. Okay. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, now I'm going to change the theme of this slide. Okay, then go to the design tab, and here you can see the themes available. Just click on this arrow. You can see here the various themes available. Okay, so I just keep cursor on it, and you can see the preview on your slide. Those you want, just see the preview and just click on to insert your theme. Okay, so this is a way you can add the theme, and again click on this arrow, and here the browse for themes. So if you have any themes in your laptop, you can browse and apply on your slides in PowerPoint. And you can save the current themes. If you create your own themes, then you can save your own themes also. So you can customize your own theme also here, and then you can save here. Okay, so this is a way you can use the different themes in PowerPoint. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.